Going to need some answers. But first, I need a place to lay low. Knock knock, Gianni.
Oh shit! Come on!
Good. You're awake.
What do you want?
I need help, Gianni.
I'm not helping you.
I wasn't asking. I need a safe place to hide. Then you and I are gonna call in some favors.
Yeah, why would I help you?
Because I'll let you live and we'll get paid.
Did you kill him, Anthony?
Yeah. It was a setup. There was a cop waiting for me.
How'd you get away?
The usual way.
So I get paid?
Yeah. A lot.
Okay, I'm in. Just cuff me.
Dude yourself. Those ain't handcuffs.
Where are you going?
I gotta change my look so I'm a little less recognizable.
What the hell? Who's shooting at us?
I don't know, but he's out of bullets. Let's get him.
Man, get off me.
He's from the Calle 13 gang.
Are you sure? He looks kind of white.
Man, fuck you, man. You're kind of white.
Fuck you.
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 Stop! Both of you. Why did you shoot at us?
Motherfucker, I didn't shoot at you.
Gianni, hold him down.
All right.
What the fuck you doing?
You're gonna tell me why you tried to kill me, or I'm gonna take away your eyes.
Man, I'm telling you shit.
Okay, Gianni, hold him still.
Alright, some guy with weird glasses and fuzzy hair hit me up to kill you.
Let me guess. He arranged a meeting in an alley and paid you half up front?
Yeah.
How did they find me?
Man, what the fuck? I wasn't trying to kill you, retard. I was trying to kill him.
Me?
Alright. I'm gonna do something I don't do often. I'm gonna let you walk away. You're gonna leave and you're never gonna deal with me or the man who hired you ever again. Got it?
Okay. Thanks. Fucking faggot. I'm out of here.
Man, why do they want me dead? I didn't do nothing.
Probably because your name is Caduto. They're trying to take out anyone who might be a threat or leadership in the family. That's why they're hiring gang members and unaffiliateds like me to keep their hands clean. Whoever's doing this is smart, and they want the family out of the way.
So what do we do?
We call in a favor for some of those.
So who are we meeting?
Kenny Takei. He works in the East End. His boss got capped too a while back. I was thinking we pull together our resources and figure out what's happening.
The way you talk about things, sounds like you already know.
Here he is.
something else, huh?
It's okay. Sorry to hear about your boss. Getting axed is no way to go.
You said something you had to talk about. Talk.
I've been keeping an ear to the street. Someone's killing bosses like they're in season. Mostly freelancers and amateurs are being hired. I want to know who and why.
Why do you care? You're a mercenary.
They crossed me. That makes it personal.
So what are you suggesting?
We keep each other informed and help each other where we can. Like, for instance, I got a lead on the guy who probably hired that merc who snuffed your boss.
Where? When? I'll make this bastard pay.
A little while, a block or two from here. You can guard his exit and we'll keep him cornered. And I do like having someone who knows how to scrap his backup.
Does that mean?
Yes, you can go now.
Oh, wait. Well, when do we get paid?
Soon, very soon.
These guys called the hit on my boss. Let's do this.
Hey, got job down?
No, not exactly.
Oh!
Stop him! Damn it, he's dead! I needed him alive! He was our only lead! Now we're back to square one!
Dude, I told you I don't know shit. I tried to kill the guy they told me to, and some guy came out with a knife and took my gun. I don't know shit.
What did you tell them? What did you tell them?
I told them where to find the fool that hired me. I don't know anything else.
Well, boss.
Because of you, one of my best lieutenants is dead. Kill him.
What? Are you sure?
Kill him. Don't ever question me. Get back to work.